कोई अधिकारी होते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, we have met 480 district officers, that is the topmost, DM, DC, collector, कोई भी होगा, 480, एक इंडिविजुअल भी courageously बाहर आके, yes there is a scavenging, I want to eradicate this practice within 6 months, एक अधिकारी भी नहीं मिला, एक भी नहीं मिला. So why should I say openly? They are useless, they are not working for the people. Not at all. They may be thinking that I am implementing this scheme. सफाई कर्मचारी का rehabilitation का भी scheme ही है. I am not asking somebody to give on your mercy I want to leave. No. I am very sorry to say that. 1993 there was an act which prohibited the manual scavenging. 2013 again the new act has come. In this circumstance only it happened. Then again we went and asked the Didi to give the photograph, and we submitted a whole lot of the photographs, videographs. How we did, let me say that also. Maybe we have some time.
Yeah.
What we did is, when we go on click the photo, problem हो रहा है. 6,000 volunteers across the country. We collected 520 districts information. सफाई कर्मचारी आंदोलन, it is not registered, and it is not like a very big political party or some other organization. It is just like that. Many are. I just went and what I did, I want to speak to the Karyakartas. Many Karyakartas came, and when everybody I want to address, when I have seen everybody, I have no words to talk. I just started crying in front of them. We went 8 times and submitted the evidences to the Supreme Court, but they are not agreeing. What shall we do? So in these circumstances, you suggest me what to do. My dear friends, I must accept for those Karyakartas volunteers. They said that we will get it, don't worry. And within 3 months, across the country they went and they submitted the full bunch of the information. How many photographs I can't count? And it is the 520 districts of the country, photographs, videographs, everything. And it has come to the Chief Justice, and Chief Justice has seen everything, and he said that what is this? And they said that this is the case, everything they reviewed again. Because the Supreme Court the Chief Justice change होते रहते हैं. Then he said after seeing this, Supreme Court is not having so much of the time to see this case. I am transferring this case to the high courts of the country. This is the Indian judicial system. We talk about the day one when they admitted the application. I went to the court in 2003 sorry. Then the advocate मैंने पूछा था क्या हुआ आज? He argued everything. Then the judge said that issue the notice to all the parties. Then I asked, मतलब क्या है? He said that whatever you are asking, that we are asking all the chief secretaries and the chief ministers and everybody is going to answer to you. Advocate मुझे बोला, वो बोलने के समय immediately मैंने दोबारा पूछा था मतलब क्या है? वो बोला ऐसा affidavits होते हैं, सारे राज्यों से लोग अभी बताएंगे. I said very great. Then immediately when I am coming down, I felt that how great is Indian democracy, where the son of one scavenger can also come to the Supreme Court and challenge everybody by just thinking like that. इसका पहले कम से कम मैं 19 साल में गाँव जाके काम किया था. कई जगह मुझे कई लोग they have sent me out, thrown me out, shouted against me, like many things happened. So I felt that how great is the Supreme Court where I can come and say, when I am thinking that the water is dropping like this, I felt that how great. When the Supreme Court Chief Justice said you go to the High Court, then I came out and I asked the advocate, which High Court I have to go? He said that all High Courts of the country. मैंने पूछा था कितने हैं? बस 1 मिनट वेट करो. वो फोन करके मुझे बताया 22 High Courts है. सर मैं 22 हाई कोर्ट जाना, वो बोला वही बताया सुप्रीम कोर्ट का चीज है. मैं बोला उनका क्या दिमाग होते हैं? मैं वो हाई नहीं है, मैं कोर्ट पे नहीं बता सकते, पर ये तो आर्डर है, आप पालन करना. I don't want to continue this, prolonging this, the legal intervention. Administrative measures के लिए गया, वो भी ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं, almost the same. We met the parliamentarians. Parliamentary standing committees, फर्क कुछ नहीं, same है. The status of the mind of the Indian bureaucracy, judiciary कुछ भी पता नहीं. अगर वो उनका पास एक स्केल होते ना, इस पे ब्यूरोक्रेसी एक जगह, जुडिशियरी एक जगह लगाए तो इसका बहुत परेशान हो जाएगा. कौन गलत है कौन सही है पता ना. दोनों सही, सेम है, एज इक्वल है. दोनों, कोई भी एक गलत ज्यादा नहीं है, एक गलत कम नहीं, दोनों सेम. ये एक्सपीरियंस लेके हम लोग कैसे एक आंदोलन चलाना. देश तो ऐसा है. So our only one hope is the people, the Safai Karmachari Union. The another hope is, you have seen the Bhim Yatra which has run across the country. That is also why the Bhim Yatra. The Bhim Yatra is the only the reason is we have now the sewage system. कहीं देश का अंदर एक शहर भी पूरा सीवेज सिस्टम पे कवर नहीं है. No city, including the Delhi and the modern city called the Chandigarh, nowhere in the country. We talk about the country so great, but we don't have coverage of the sewage system fully in any city. We talk about the smart cities also today, but sewage system coverage नहीं. अगर आपका फ्लश आउट टॉयलेट है, सीवेज सिस्टम बिल्कुल नहीं है, वो समय क्या होते हैं, सेप्टिक टैंक पे वो सारे स्टॉक करना पड़ता है. देन सेप्टिक टैंक 1 महीने 2 महीने 6 महीने 1 साल और 2 साल का 5 साल का एक बार बिल्कुल इसका साफ करना. साफ करने के कोई भी मशीन हमारा देश में नहीं है. शक्कर मशीन अभी है हमारा देश का अंदर. एक शहर का अंदर अगर ये 500 चाहिए तो हमारा पास 1 और 2 होते हैं. दिल्ली का शहर का अंदर भी उनका पास अगर जाके पूछे तो वो लेकर बोलेगा हमारे पास 16 है मशीन. 16 मशीन पे 3 मशीन का मतलब वो मशीन का होते हैं that is connected with the tractor or the truck. The truck is not having the tires at all. They kept in the airport and they count that also. 16 हमारा पास है, but ये कहीं नहीं जा सकते क्यों है तो इसका टायर भी नहीं, पहिया भी नहीं है, but वो लेकर दिखाते हैं 16 है. कोच का भी वो पता चला. So we have not technically advanced. We have not modernized our sanitation systems. That is the reason when the scavengers are entering into the clean the sewer lines, there is a fatal deaths are happening. The Supreme Court, when we brought the notice to the Supreme Court said they will be getting the 10 lakhs compensation for each day. We went to the places. Who has to identify? From 1993 onwards, अभी तक कोई भी सफाई वाला और सफाई का काम करने वाला गटर का अंदर घुसने के समय अगर जान निकाले तो उनका 10 लाख रुपया मिलेगा. आपका भी कोई का मालूम हुए तो कहीं देश का अंदर कहीं भी इंक्लूडिंग जम्मू कश्मीर the Supreme Court order is the judgment. So we take the judgment and went to the count where it is. Actually that is the responsibility of the government. They asked the government to identify such deaths happened from 1993 and pay the compensation to the deceased family, whoever is the dependents. That is the government order or the judgment. So we have taken and counted 1,370 people within 2 years they died. So we talk about so many things in the country. सर देश का ज्यादा सबसे बड़ा समस्या क्या है कोई का पता है तो पूछे तो कोई. सो हम लोग सारे बोलेगा ये देश का बड़ा सबसे बड़ा समस्या है आतंकवाद है, नहीं है तो टेररिज्म. यस, टेररिज्म इज अ बिग समस्या है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा है. बट हाउ मेनी पीपल डाइड ड्यू टू द टेररिज्म विद इन 2 years? हाउ मेनी पीपल डाइड इन द सिविल लाइन? कैन यू इमेजिन वन टाइम? It is how many times? I can't calculate. In the country, within the 2 years, how many people died in the civil line is much more than the people who died in any other things. But country is not thinking about any death of the sewage worker. Why? We think that they are meant for that. So they are entering, they are dying. It is not my job. They are entering, we are paying. Is it the fact? When the road accident happens, so Prime Minister, Chief Minister, everybody come and announce the compensation. The bus driver did something wrong and it is a private bus, but even the government announces. But the Tamil Nadu government, they came to the Supreme Court stating that we cannot pay 10 lakhs when the private bus dying somewhere else, why should we pay? Just think about the status of the mind of the governments in the country. How can they say that they are not paying? They say that we cannot pay 10 lakhs. The Tamil Nadu, not just Tamil Nadu government. Tamil Nadu government, at least they came to the Supreme Court and said that we don't want to pay, we cannot pay. But all other governments, they have not even paid. They have not even enumerated. That is going on everywhere. So what we did is in the Bhim Yatra, we state very clearly that deaths which are happening, it is not an accident, it is all the political murders by the state. The state must take the responsibility. The state has the responsibility of the sanitation, drinking water and the civic amenities. The state when fail to do that, when the human beings are dying, the state must take the responsibility. The deaths are happening in this country. For that the responsible person, number one is the President of India, number two is the Prime Minister of India, nobody else. Later only other numbers will come. I want to state very clearly in every forum, they are not taking this. They are not taking into the account. NCRB records, you go to the National Crime Records Bureau, they have the records of how many deaths happened everywhere. All the deaths, you ask how many severe deaths, we are not counting that. Friends, you ask me where is the caste. So you find out, you ask me where is the patriarch, you find out what I am experiencing, what I am saying. There, where it is not there. That is what is I want to make it very clear. The country is not taking as a serious the deaths of the civil workers. For that we are stating very clearly, stop killing us. So I am stating everybody, all the parliamentarians and the Prime Minister very clearly, when are you going to stop killing us in the sewer lines and the septic tanks? Tell us. Tell us the date. Don't say that your GDP कितने हैं. ये आपका GDP से मुझे कोई फायदा नहीं होते हैं. आपका विकास से मेरा फायदा नहीं होता है. मेरा जान अगर निकाल रहा है ये सिवर का अंदर, इसको बचाने के लिए देश का क्या योजना है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का पास क्या योजना है. I will ask everywhere. People ask me why can't you go and meet the Prime Minister. I said we have given already 8 memorandums to the Prime Minister, and total we have given the 36 memorandums to all the Prime Ministers. We have given already the President also not less than 80 times the memorandums. Why should we go and meet? For everything, somebody, why we have to meet? You can't understand this, what is happening. He tweets for everybody. But when it is deaths are happening, why you are not tweeting? Why you are not talking about this? What is the situation of the Dalits in the country? People, what is happened yesterday in the Delhi? Somebody is taking some meat or something. Then immediately people are coming. 2003 से अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे केस है. 1993 से ये कानून है, prohibition of the manual scavenging. Why the citizens of this country actively not coming and filing the case? Across the country so far not even a single case filed. Why you are not coming, the citizens of this country? You are saying that we are so great, we want to protect this. आपका गो प्रोटेक्ट करना समय है, इंसान का रक्षा करना क्यों समय नहीं होते हैं? Why you are not coming and asking? Why 1993 Act is not implemented across the country? You come and ask about that. You come and say that where the 40% of the citizens are underway, you are coming and telling that what I have to eat. Why should I eat anything what I like? If it is a democratic country, I have a right to eat whatever I like. And if it affects you, you think about your own way. You can't make some irrational things in the country. You can't bring the illogical things. My thing is, my understanding is, 4,000 years before, the caste also introduced in the same way. Irrationalism. You said that some are great. We started believing that. Even today, people are talking. If somebody is reading so well, and he said, वो दलित है, फिर भी वो अच्छा पढ़ रहा है. मतलब दलित नहीं पढ़ सकते, आपका हमारा दिमाग का अंदर है. कौन पढ़ सकते, वो भी हमारा दिमाग का अंदर है. Don't want to mention the caste names here. ये irrational, complete irrational. I said, yeah, irrationalism is ruling all of us Indians in the country. So tomorrow you bring one animal, you make that animal as a super animal, and all other animals you say that इसका क्या contributions है, सारे गलत करे तो ये अच्छा नहीं होते. My only submission is all are equal, when you are saying, you must understand the Indian constitution says all are equal. All animals are also equal. Don't divide the animals also. You are so far you divide the human beings, but you are now entering into the even the animals. Tomorrow they go to the birds, they go to the plants, they go to the something else. Please understand, stop the division of all these irrational things. फंडामेंटलिज्म एक हद होना चाहिए. अब आपका मर्जी से करे तो ये देश के नागरिक जैसा, अगर दूसरा चुप बैठेंगे नहीं बैठेंगे मुझे पता नहीं, मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं बैठेंगे. मैं तो बिल्कुल बाहर आके बताएंगे क्या सही है क्या गलत है. मेरा विश्वास है भीम यात्रा का समय मैंने देखा, द इंडियन सिविल सोसाइटी इज अ वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव. जंतर मंतर पे that day when we had the Bhim Yatra culmination, not just the Safai Karmacharis, the majority of the non-Dalits, majority of the civil society, the progressive people, all others attended. They said that we will not allow people to die in the civil lines. That is the hope in this country. Not because somebody is coming with their ideology. Nothing is going to save this country. We must understand very clearly the scientific temperament is only going to save the country. We must have that. That is the constitution also says very clearly. Baba Sahib also said very clearly that India is entering into the politically and equal society as a constitution when the constitution day. But socially we are not equal. Economically we are not equal. Culturally there are the disparities. As soon as possible, we everybody together will destroy all these things, make India as a one. It is going to be the danger for the democracy. My dear friends, I request all of you, let us take a vote that the democracy, this country is all of us. It is not somebody's, and we are not here to follow somebody. We are going to lead the society where there is no caste, where there is no patriarchy, where there is no any discrimination. All human beings are equal, and where there is no fear, like to say openly, that country we want. I wish that day will come very soon. Jai Hind, Lal Salam. Thank you so much.